In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. This is a great way to reuse existing tasks, templates, or timelines without rebuilding everything from scratch, and it helps keep your workflows consistent across similar projects. Start by opening Asana and heading to the Projects section in the left sidebar. From there, click the project you want to duplicate. This takes you into the original project, which will be the source for your copy. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you manage multiple versions with similar names. At the top of the project, look for the arrow next to the project name. Click that arrow to open the project drop-down. This menu gives you options for managing the project, and one of those options is exactly what we need. Choose Duplicate from the drop-down. This opens the Duplicate project window, where you'll decide what to carry over into your new project. You can rename the project right here so it's easy to distinguish from the original. Then choose what to copy. Tasks, assignees, due dates, attachments, task descriptions, and subtasks. Check or uncheck each option based on your needs. For example, if you're creating a fresh project and don't want to ping people yet, leave assignees unchecked. If you just want the structure without the schedule, skip due dates. Attachments can be helpful if you rely on reference files, but you can leave them out to keep the new project lighter. Including task descriptions and subtasks preserves the detailed context and nested work, which is especially useful for complex projects or templates. Once your options look right, click Create Project. Asana will generate the duplicate, and you'll see it appear in your project list. It will start in the same team as the original, so it's easy to find alongside related work. From here, you can open the new project to confirm everything copied as expected and make any quick adjustments to names, timelines, or priorities. A few important notes to keep in mind. Rules, forms, and task dependencies may not always carry over when you duplicate, so plan to review those elements if your workflow relies on them. If you need the project in a different place, you can move or share the duplicated project after it's created. This is helpful when you're working across teams or setting up a project for stakeholders. And that's how to duplicate a project in Asana to reuse tasks and workflows quickly. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.